How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel. It has been over a year that we've been in this studio. It's changed quite a bit over that time. Yeah, it's been a blast being here. This video is basically just to update you on the channel, what we're planning on doing in the future, and yeah, all that fun stuff to look forward to. So what to expect is I'm going to be uploading a long video each week, either a tip, a trick, a new step, or some way to improve your Irish dancing. And then along with that, I'm gonna be sprinkling in the short form content and all that kind of intermixed with that. So a lot to look forward to, a lot of fun stuff on its way. If there's anything I haven't done, any videos that you'd like me to do, be it on a certain trick you want to learn or a step or something, definitely drop it in the comments below. Would love your input on that. If you haven't already noticed, I uploaded a video this week about trebles. If you're having trouble with trebles, it's a great video for that. Definitely check that out. We created a Irish Dance Discord channel. It's free. It's open to anybody who's interested in Irish dancing and looking for a little bit more community in their Irish dance journey. Thank you all for subscribing to this channel, supporting the channel, and I look forward to making more content and connecting with you in the future. But until then, I'll see you later.